Hello, hello. It is Shauna Kale here, and I am here to give you a self care technique. Are you ready? So, this is called heart focused breathing. It's a technique I'm actually going to be teaching in my Your Heart workshop coming up February 20th. But I just wanted to tell you a few things. All right. So, if you are ready to stop the impact of stress on your body, you want to know this self care technique. All right. If you want to eliminate the energy drain, am I the only one that feels like sometimes the energy is just being sucked right out, right? This technique helps me every morning renew my energy, even after maybe a stressful moment. All right. How about when there is some drama going on? If you want to remove the drama during a situation, this technique is perfect. All right. How about if you want to neutralize that emotional reaction that you just want to react instead of respond to a situation, then you want to know this technique. All right. It is called heart focused breathing. Y'all, it doesn't take all day to do. It just takes a few minutes of your time. This can be done anywhere, anytime, any place. All right. So here is my self care tip for Tuesday. Just make sure that you are breathing. We think we're breathing, but sometimes we're not. And we tend in stressful moments to hold our breath. And so I am going to be teaching more about the heart focused breathing in my workshop coming up February 20th. If you want to know more information, just ask. I am happy to tell you how you can become a part of that. I will see you later. Have a good day. Bye.